Hi Origami Club and welcome to week 6. This week we are going to be making a box. This box is pretty cool. It's even going to have a cover and you can put little things in it like paper clips or whatever else you'd like. So let's get started. First you're going to fold the paper up. And unfold and fold it to the side. And unfold again. And now you're going to take all 4 corners and you're going to fold them all into the center. Make sure that when you're folding them into the center, there are not spaces between each flap. So like between this flap and this flap, there shouldn't be a space. And turn it so that it's a square again. And you're going to fold the top down to the center. And the bottom up to the center. And then unfold. And now do the same thing on the sides, fold them into the center. And unfold them. And then you're also going to unfold the top triangle flap and the bottom triangle flap. And you're going to refold this part into the center. You already have that fold there, so that should be pretty easy. And the same thing on the other side. So after you have this shape, you're actually going to kind of open it back up a little bit. So these are going to be the walls of your box. And then right here, where the end of each of these triangles are, you should have a crease. And you're going to fold the box up to that crease. And these sides right here should press in. If they don't do it by themselves from the creases you made earlier on, you can just help by pushing them in. And then once you have this, you take this top part and you press it down against, and you crease it against the other folds, and it should stay like that. And then you're going to do the same thing on this side. So press it up, and see this side isn't going in, so I'm going to help it. I'm going to turn it just so I can, there you go. And then I'm going to press this back down. And now we have the bottom of the box. And for the top of the box, you're going to do the same things, except one of the steps is going to be slightly different. So you're going to start by making all the same folds. So you're going to fold up, unfold it, fold to the side, unfold it. And now this is the part that's slightly different. So when you fold the corners into the center, you don't want to go all the way into the center. You want to leave some space, which you'll be able to see more what I'm talking about when I get more of these folded. So right here, do you see how there's a gap between each flap? That's going to make the top slightly bigger than the bottom so that it'll fit over the top. Or over the bottom, I mean. Perfect. Now you're going to rotate it again and fold to the center. And then fold up to the center. Unfold, do the same things, but on the side, to the center. To the center. Now you're going to unfold them and fold the top up and the bottom down, and then fold it back into the center on both sides. And now this is where you start to see your box form. So you open it back up so that you have the sides of your walls, and right where the corner it ends of the triangle, that's where it should fold to make your wall. And so this part folded out, but I'm just gonna help it by pushing it in. There we go. And now fold it down. There's one of my walls of my box, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to fold up and push my walls in. There we go. And now fold it back down. There. So now I have the top of my box, and I can bring my bottom over and just flip it over, and it should fit on nicely. And now I have this box, and I can stick whatever I want in it.